Some people see a hopeless end, while other people see endless hope. There's always hope. There's always an opportunity to trust. Not just trust in the process, but to trust in life. And that is not as easy as it sounds. Because frequently we get agitated, aggravated by the uncertainties of life. We get confronted with difficult moments. We get challenged in surprising situations. The circumstances can be quite tight and dense and heavy and hopeless. So it's quite common that we would be tempted to lose trust, to give up. And that can either come in a heavy, depressed mindset and emotional atmosphere, or in a kind of restless, aggravated activism where we try to somehow struggle ourselves out of the challenge. So, what is helpful is to maintain tranquility, stability, because that relates to a solid ground on which we stand. This stability, this grounded, in a way, rooted essence of our foundation allows us to stand more firmly and steadily amidst the storms and aggravating tsunami waves. So, tranquility relates to stability. And on that foundation, we know where we stand. We can trust in our roots. And out of that, we naturally can develop that hope and cultivate this trusting availability to be open and ready to embrace whatever challenge life has to offer. So let's experience this directly. Let's meditate together to ground ourselves in the stability of our body, find tranquility and peaceful trust in the heart. Settle into a firm and stable pose. Make yourself comfortable with any props you might need. Take a few deep breaths with the inhalation, straightening the spine, that solid backbone which gives us this integrity. And then with your next exhalation, allow those eyes to close. Making your last adjustments in the body to be fully comfortable and at ease. And then commit to a perfectly stable pose. Settle into this solid foundation of the physical body. grounding ourselves, observing how the stability carries a flavor of tranquility, allowing the mind to sink down into the heart, stabilizing the awareness in heart center. In the heart, there's a sense of trust. We trust in the heart. We value its intuition. The compassion and loving kindness of the heart carries hope. And this hope allows us to trust as we open ourselves to all that life presents to us. And now we breathe deeper, opening our chest. We open ourselves to the sound of the gong. And then we gently open our eyes and face this world with tranquility and the trust of an open heart. I hope that you had some eye opening and heart opening moments in this shared journey towards trust and tranquility. If you are curious to go deeper into this practice, please check out the other practices we are sharing on our free YouTube channel, where we share so much hope, so much inspiration. Sign up in the description for our monthly calendar to get informed about the various practices, inspirations, lectures, classes we share. Looking forward to going deeper together.